Welcome to Let's Go Modding, and today we need to take a closer look at this Heartland 475-foot tape measure, aka BMI. So this is the smartest tape measure in the world. This is the smartest tape measure in the world, weighing 1.7 kilograms. Heartland version 4 BMI. Got a tough plastic casing, preventing it from drops. Hey there, Carrie. So, Mom, what do you know about this BMI 475-foot Heartland version 4?
It's cool.
Right. Hey, Dad, what do you know about this Heartland version 4 475-foot, aka BMI? Heartland BMI 475-foot.
What's BMI stand for?
This 475-foot tape measure has a metal crank and a green casing. And now it's time to rate. So I'm heading to the studio to see how much they rate. Mom?
175 feet.
Yeah. So, Dad, how much do you like this from scale 0 to 500?
I don't know. I never used it.
Well, it's
422.
422. How much you like this image from 0 to 500?
I don't know.
Alright. Alright, so this tape measure is extremely durable. Let's see. Let's see how durable we did. So this is the entire 475. I think I rate this a 485. Hey guys, I'm Logan. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, share, post to Twitter, that blah blah blah. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. You think there's a way I'm gonna make the thing? Yeah, I meant that.